If a cat saying, "Oh no, oh no, 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 no." Here we go. Meow meow, meow 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 meow, meow meow, meow meow, meow 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 meow. All right, so I can't really share the test. I can't show you it, but I got a 90 on my lesson 2. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Now I just gotta do lesson 3 and 4, and then I gotta put another bit of money into it to get the other uh, lessons. It's pretty cool. I didn't even tell my mom. I told my wife and my daughter. I didn't even tell EJ. But yeah, I don't know. I was just excited about it. I never get 90s on stuff, so getting an A minus at school, which my wife told me that was A minus. I was like, okay, awesome. I never get A's, so I'm happy. That's about all. I wanted to pick a lock in front of you, like how lock picker lawyer does it, but I can't find my thing to hold the camera. I guess I could do the tripod, but it's not gonna look so great, and I had to use my cell phone because my GH4 is uh, unrepairable. Yeah, so I took it apart, left it apart, screws went everywhere. Thanks to my cat, kids, wife. So anyway, yeah, that's all. Really. Have a nice day. If a cat saying, "Oh no, oh no, 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 no." Here we go. Meow meow, meow 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 meow, meow meow.